Okay, children. So now brown cat is bigger than the black cat. Okay? So big and bigger. Here it is only one. You're talking about it. But when you compare two things, then big will become bigger. This cat is bigger than that one. So bigger. Then the third degree is when there are many and you take the best one or one special one. Suppose that is white cat. So you'll say the white cat is the biggest amongst the three cats. So amongst three or more than three. This is one, the first degree, that is called positive. Okay. Then the second degree where you compare two things, big will become bigger, and this is comparative. Okay. And the third one is the topmost. Okay. So big, bigger, biggest, and biggest will be the superlative degree. So when you compare, okay, then there are three degrees in adjectives, degrees of comparison. So first one is positive, second one is comparative, and third one is superlative. All right, I hope this much is clear to you. Now I'll tell you what is positive degree. When an adjective does not show any comparison, you're not comparing with anyone, any noun, it is only one, and you're talking about that. So, what do? We just use to describe a noun, it is in the positive degree. Okay, when an adjective does not show any comparison, just used to describe a noun or a pronoun, it is in the positive degree. Like a thin boy, a high mountain, a small rat, a fat lady, like this. Okay, so these will be in positive degree, talking about one when there is no comparison. Second one is comparative degree. Now here see children, look, when an adjective is used to compare two people or things, it can be people, place, animal, or thing, anything, we use the comparative degree. For example, a thinner boy. See, this will be a thin boy. Here two or many, so you will say a thinner boy. Then here it is a high mountain. In comparative degree, you will say a higher mountain. A higher mountain than this one. Okay? So thinner, higher. We usually add, remember this also, we usually add ER to change. See, like thin will become thinner, high will become higher. So we usually add, most of the time we add ER and we change to comparative degree. Words that cannot be written in their comparative form by adding ER. Now there are some words we do not add ER to bring them to comparative degree. We have to add another word in front of it. Like for example, intelligent, an intelligent boy. Now if there are two or more, you will not say intelligenter. There is no word like that. You will say a more intelligent boy. Is it clear? Like here if you'll say an intelligent boy, here it will become a more intelligent boy. So most of the words we add ER, but in some words we add another word, more. Okay? Now we come to the third one. Now this is children, when we compare more than two people or feelings, okay? More than two nouns, okay? We use the superlative degree. Now what is it? See, like in the first it is thin, the second it will become thinner, and the third it will become superlative degree, it will become the thinnest boy, the highest mountain. So we usually add EST to the word, okay, and it comes to the third degree. We add most to some words that cannot be written in their superlative form by adding EST. In most of the words we add EST, okay, when we compare many things, all right, and we write EST and it comes to the superlative degree, right? But There are some words where we do not add est, we write a new word, most, okay, in front of that word, describing word, and it becomes superlative degree. Like for example, in the first one, an intelligent boy, second one it will be a more intelligent boy, and the third degree it will become the most intelligent boy. I hope you have understood. Exercises I will give you in the next, which you have to do in your workbooks. Okay, please go through this video twice or thrice, and I will click the pages also of all these this explanation, and I will upload in the group. Okay, God bless you children.